Hi everyone, welcome to ChipRide. In this video, I'm going to show you something on how to install Contiki NG. And Contiki NG is basically used for wireless RPA networking. And to install Contiki NG, where I'm going to specifically say about Kuja simulator. So to get into Contiki NG more, you can use Kuja simulator and use the nodes or the modes to analyze the wireless communication with the simple software simulation. So now you can just search Contiki NG, and you can see you have contiking.org. Here we have the documentation in wiki, and we have GitHub. So to know more about Contiki NG, you can get into these things, and you have all the topics here, starting from how to get started. Now basically we can use both Windows and Linux, and Kuja actually supports Linux, and if you want to use it in Windows, you can go with the Docker, so the virtual environment. So we'll go with Linux. I'm using Linux here. So you can see there is something called toolchain installation on Linux. Under this, you will be told how to install the basic dependencies. So here we have the commands which has to be run. So you can follow this. Just start with sudo apt update, and then sudo apt install build essential deoxygen git curl wireshark python serial srecord rl. These things are required. And further, so you can also use wiresharks for analyzing your simulated packets. And then you have to install the ARM compiler. So you have the ARM compiler installation, where you can see you can directly install the latest ARM compiler, or whichever ARM compiler you wish to. For now, you can follow the one which is given here. You can run these commands wget and this command, and then next followed by the other command, that is to tar command. Then once it is done, you have to install this MSP430. So this is actually required for Kuja simulation. You can see a compiler for MSP430 is needed to use MSP sim emulator in Kuja. Next, you can go with installation of the Java, which is required for Kuja simulation. And in Java, like you can actually, if you have the latest Linux, you will have Java 11. So you can go with Java 8. You can see here. So we have, when you run this command update alternative hyphen config Java, you will be asked to select Java, the whichever Java which is installed in your Linux. So if you don't have Java 8, you can install Java 8, and then you have to configure Java 8 for Kuja. If not, Kuja will not run. And then this is for like the USB settings for the hardware platforms. So if you have the hardware platforms, you can use it. And as far as for our this thing, we are going to use only the software simulation. So finally, you can get in here, clone Contiki NG. If this command doesn't work, we will try. I have already installed I've actually installed the dependencies on by running these commands whichever is given in this page. Now let me check if this works. So it says the destination path already exists and this one is not an empty directory. So it says I have the config already installed in it, like in my PC. And now this particular you can clone from the config.com. You can just search for it here. If not, if it doesn't work, you can directly go here and you can get it. So you have everything here. You have the GitHub completely on config. Now after running this command, you will have to run this submodule update init recursive. So once all these commands are run, you can follow, you can see like wherever the directory which you have suggested. By default it goes to the home directory. For me, you can see here it says here config. Now config ng, here under tools we have Kuja. So you will have to run sudo and run. If you follow the commands whichever is given here in this page, you can properly install, and be sure to install Java 8. And then when Kuja starts running, you can click on new simulation, create one, and you can see we have the network window here, simulation control window, and then your mode output, the major windows. So if you have to add modes, after you can just add simple sky mode or git mode. So for the firmware, you can get into your directory like hello world. You can see the directory is config ng examples hello world.c. Then you can click compile and compile it. Once it is compiled, you can clean and compile also. As it is already created, so if you are going to freshly create, you can just click on compile. If you are editing, and you can have a clean and compile. Then you have a mode here. It asks for number of modes. You can just add 2 modes here, or whatever, how many ever modes you want. Then you can see we have the modes here. So what happens is, if you just click here, it shows the radio environment. So you can just move the nodes out of reach of other node, so it won't reach. So this is the when you click, you can see the radio environment here, and when you click this or mode ID 1, you have the other radio environment for that. So for you can add the IP, you can check IP or RIM and mode IDs. If LEDs are like for your code, if you are using LEDs, you can click on LEDs. So for now, we'll just check on address. Then if you click on start, you can see hello world is there. Now you can pause. You can see the IPs here, which is the IPv6 address, local link address. So by default we have the code running inside this, which shows RPL network, CSMA, the frequency, mode ID number, channel frequency, everything is here, and the PAN ID is also shown here. So we can change accordingly and run. It shows for both modes. You can see they are having the same PAN ID and under the same channel, frequency channel. So this IP address, local link IP address is also shown here. You can practice with more examples by adding different examples in the Contigo NG. So just wanted to show you in the video how to run the Kuja simulator in your Linux PCs. If you have Windows PC, you can go for the Docker. You can install the Docker and then run Kuja instead. I think the Kuja will be by default available in the Docker. The Docker, you can get it from the same page. As I've already shown you here, you have the Docker image, so you can download it and then you can run. And not only that, I have a book which is published. You can refer that book for more examples with respect to Contigo NG modes, which has a clear explanation on from the installation, from basic installation to working with RPL networks, and your interaction with the border router. All those things are explained very well. If you are interested, you can buy that. So this is what I wanted to show in this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.